Wherever I go, people are like repeaters, online coachings and coaching centers for exams. What is this actually? Everywhere I go, like NEET. What is actually NEET? We're going to see in this video what's the exam pattern, what is it about, what's the syllabus, and watch it till the end to know everything about NEET. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Thirumagal. I'm a medical student. I teach for class 11th, 12th and NEET students. So stay tuned and do subscribe my channel for more info. So watch till the end to know about all things about NEET. And let's go into the video. So what's NEET? NEET is National Eligibility cum Entrance Test. It is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. Previously it was conducted by CBSE, but now from 2019 this agency is conducting this test. Who all take up this test? Mostly bio stream students take up this test. Those who take pure science and biomax in the 11th and 12th take up this test. And those who want to become a allopath, a homeopath, a dentist, a Ayurvedic doctor, a Siddha doctor, a Unani doctor and also veterinary doctor take up this test. Those are really interested in pursuing a medical degree. What are the courses? MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BAMS, BSMS, BUMS and veterinary. AIMS and JIPMER are merged with the NEET exam. To enter JIPMER or AIMS, you have to write NEET exam. And if someone wants to study in abroad, MBBS have to take up this entrance test and only then they'll be able to study abroad. Pattern. What is the exam pattern? MCQ pattern. You'll be given a question and they'll give you 4 options. You have to take the right option for it. And mode of examination is conducted and it happens once in a year. And the exam pattern is how, like, it's 3 subjects: physics, chemistry and biology. Physics 45 marks, chemistry 45 marks, biology 90 marks, and each right question carries 4 marks and -1 for wrong answers. So physics 45 into 4, that gives 180 marks, and chemistry 45 into 4, that gives you 180 marks, and 90 bio questions into 4 gives 360 marks, and total 720 marks. You're going to write the exam for 720. You have 180 questions and you have 3 hours. 3 hours is 180 minutes, so 180 questions in 180 minutes. So you have to take like 1 minute for one question, and that's it. So it's really competitive and you have to start studying. If you are in 11th, 12th, start studying from now. And guys, next is exam syllabus. It's actually conducted by a central board. Syllabus is NCERT syllabus. You can also get the syllabus in the NEET.nic.in official website, but still the syllabus lies the index of the NCERT books. NCERT 11th and 12th books are the syllabus for NEET exam. When you the description for the exam syllabus, do check out from my description. Notification for registration starts in the December month, but due to this pandemic, it might get postponed. Exams are mostly conducted in the May first week Sunday of May month. Exam will be surely held, but due to this COVID, it might be postponed for NEET 2021. The syllabus remains same for NEET 2021, so start studying. And in the April, you will get the admit cards for your NEET exams. And the results will be in the first week of June. You will get all your results. And after like about August, your state counselling and all India counselling starts. I'll give you notifications of all those, and so subscribe my channel to get all the notifications about the counselling and stuff. You can write the entrance test in 11 different languages. You can choose any of these languages and write your exam. What are the languages I'll given you in this? Just check out the 11 languages. Ask me when should I start studying for my NEET exam. That will probably not start from 6th or something. You can start studying from 11th. More than enough, you start studying from 11th. 11th and 12th are more than sufficient for your NEET preparation, and you can surely become a doctor if you study hard and really score high. Thing I have to mention here, if you start studying the last 1 month before the exam, your boards will get over by March and your exams will be in the May. April is the month you guys sit and study. You'll surely not be able to score and crack NEET. You can really score high if you study hard and smart work. I'll give you all the methods to study. Whatever I use for my NEET exam, I teach you. So do subscribe my channel. And yes, you have to start studying parallel. 11th and 12th parallel you have to study. But it's not difficult. Both if you're state board or CBSE, the syllabus is same to NEET exam. So like if you start studying your for your boards, you're thorough with the subject in it, and you can start doing MCQs related to the chapter you did or something. Competition is very high. 16 lakh people apply for this test and only 75,000 seats are available for MBBS. So just imagine about the competition and start studying from now. If you try well, you can surely achieve your dreams. What's the eligibility for NEET exam? Biology, chemistry, physics. You have to score more than 40% for BC or SC and ST, 40% in your boards, and for OP you have to score 50% above. It's easy, I guess. And yeah, this is all about NEET. We have seen all about the NEET, and we have special dress codes for NEET, and you have to follow all those. Guys, this is all about NEET, and you have seen, I've given you all the information about this test, and this is all. Subscribe it and hit the like button, and don't forget to share with your friends. I teach for class 11th, 12th and NEET students. And guys, this is all about NEET exam, and bye for now.